Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing the S24 Ultra so the assistant can hear and act. Make sure the phone is updated and the Google app has mic and location permissions enabled. This avoids permission blocks later. Next, open Google Assistant settings, enable voice match, and teach it your voice by repeating the wake phrase a few times. Once done, test wake up by saying, "Hey Google," while the screen is off, and check that Assistant responds so you know the device is listening. Now configure actions that save daily time by setting up routines and voice shortcuts. Open routines, add triggers like time or commute, then attach actions, whether messages, smart home scenes, or music playback. For deeper control, assign voice shortcuts to specific apps and contact commands so one phrase launches a task. Make sure to link third-party accounts like streaming or calendar in services. After configuring, test each shortcut one by one to confirm expected responses. Finish by practicing natural use and adding security. Try multi-step queries like, "Hey Google, start my commute and play news," so you learn follow-up behavior. Assistant keeps context for a few turns. Enable personal results on lock screen and require biometrics for sensitive actions to protect data. If something breaks, first reboot the S24 Ultra, then verify microphone and account permissions, and retrain voice match if recognition fails. If issues persist, clear app cache or relink the Google account to refresh settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.